Welcome to my presentation for Proudly Made in Africa's product Safari Lounge. The main aim of this international marketing plan is to provide resources and recommendations for Safari Lounge to be integrated into international markets with high potential. So following the analysis of potential markets, it was clear that Germany had an exciting market with a high percentage of coffee consumers. Within this, Hamburg would be an appropriate city to choose because they boast a population of 1.8 million. Due to the nature of the product, I would suggest targeting cafes and independent coffee shops with the product. Germany has an increasing population of consumers who demand high-quality coffee, and this would allow Safari Lounge to position themselves as premium and exclusive high-quality coffee brand. The food and drink trends in Hamburg also allow for Safari Lounge to integrate themselves into the market with relative ease. So Hamburg is pushing for legislation for environmentally friendly packaging of products. And this is perfect for Safari Lounge because they offer compostable capsules, which would satisfy the German market, and would also allow Hamburg to remain in the top sustainable cities in Europe. So Hamburg is also home to a major port in Germany. It is the third largest port in Europe, and this port, along with the Hamburg's highly efficient railway network, will allow for the relatively easy and quick distribution of Safari Lounge. I would recommend that Safari Lounge employ selective distribution to distribute their products, as this would allow them to maintain a premium and exclusive brand image. Trades show their increase in appreciation for flavours, quality and fair trade. Drinking coffee has become part of an experience for many German consumers, and this means that cafes are visited a lot more frequently. The customers are willing to pay higher price for higher quality coffee. So as mentioned before, Germany has a high percentage of coffee consumers. The consumers are price aware but are willing to pay a higher price for higher quality coffee with an added value. This is perfect for Safari Lounge because they offer sustainable product and high quality product, and this differentiates them from competitors and encourages consumers to choose them over other brands. Safari Lounge does have some main competitors, and they both share an equal share in the market. Both use similar pricing strategies and similar packaging. The analysis of the market allows Safari Lounge to develop a positioning strategy against competitors, including their unique selling point, such as price, packaging, or promotion. So Safari Lounge employ differentiation as their unique selling point, due to the production of their coffee beans, which are hand roasted on site in Kenya before being exported, as opposed to competitors who machine roast beans in Europe. Their beans are premium and are packaged as such with the use of black and gold colours to emphasise that they are a premium and exclusive brand to customers. Current trends in Germany, as well as the increase in in-home coffee consumption, it is the perfect time for Safari Lounge to transition into the German market. The fact that their brand's product is packaged in bulk quantities in recyclable bags or compostable coffee pods addresses the environmental concerns of the German market, while also allowing them to obey the waste recycling laws and regulations of Germany. So marketing is a very important aspect for businesses to focus on when entering international markets. Due to the size of the business, it is better for Safari Lounge to use cheaper methods to promote their product. Social media can be used to build brand awareness and to create strong and lasting relationships with customers, while also engaging them. In-store promotions such as pop-up coffee stands, sales reps and trade shows are also great ways to reinforce brand image and reputation. Trade shows are also a great way for Safari Lounge to build strong networks with other companies in Germany. Finally, I would recommend selling through food trucks, as this would increase the scope of the audience and vary it. I would also recommend using e-commerce following the establishment of Safari Lounge in the German market. as this would give them the potential to become a global company. So to wrap up, I'd like to thank you for watching the presentation, and I hope that these recommendations and advice will be useful.